Hello everyone, and this is the third episode of the 14 uh third episode third video of the 14 video series on IGCSE business. Syllabus statement 3.1.3, and this is on the concept of niche marketing and mass marketing. They're very straightforward, and I'll use I'll use the text right now instead of drawing because I draw really slowly. So mass market, what is a mass market? And this is a definition, and we should remember this word for word, and you should get the 2 marks. So mass market is where there is a very large number of sales of a product. And an example of this could be Samsung, Apple, any basic necessities companies. Okay, so let me state the no, I'll state the niche market first. So a niche market, this is also usually a 2 mark definition, and should remember this word for word, is a small, usually specialized, that's a key word, that would get you 1 mark, specialized segment or subsection of a much larger market. Okay, so mass market, there are advantages and disadvantages, and you only need to remember like 2 of them. So first of all, large sales, and this is pretty obvious. So it comes with large sales if you're a mass market, and this can mean range of portfolio. We could write that down too. Good range of portfolio, like Samsung, there's the S5, S4, Note 3, Note 4, Note 6, I don't know, it's not even out yet, but yeah, you get the point. Portfolio. Third one is it benefits from economies of scale. I haven't taught you guys economies of scale, but what it basically means is if you produce more products, the average cost will be lowered. So let's just give an example. There's a farmer and there's a buyer. The buyer can choose between 2 different farmers. They can choose, oh, this one, I would like to sell you 1,000 eggs. This one will only sell you 10 eggs. But since it's 1,000 eggs, like okay, that's a bad example. Let's just say this is a car and there are 10 people on it, and each fee is 10. If you want to like rent your own car, it's $10. But see, if 2 of these people are willing to share their privacy and like go on the same car, the average one would still be would be $5 now. Since, sorry, 5 should go here now because this one is 10. Let's say, for example, if 3 people would be willing to share their privacy and 3 of them would go in the same car, the average would be 3 and a quarter. I mean 3 and a third. So you get the point right there. But it gets to a point where this economies of scale could occur, and this is when there's like the car has maximum capacity of 7 and there's 8 people, and yeah. But okay, economies of scale. The fourth one could be spreaded risk, which is pretty straightforward to hold on. Okay, some disadvantages of mass market could be high level of competition. Like Samsung has Apple, has Xiaomi, has Lenovo, and much more different emerging companies. Another disadvantage is high cost of advertisement. And the last one could be products are standardized. Standardized. So it means everything is the same. There's no specialty. And the thing is with this, uh, the negative one, if you flip it around, it could be the positive one for this. And this one, if you flip it around, it could be the negative one or the disadvantages. What I mean by this is like the disadvantage of the niche market. It's small sales, small portfolio range, doesn't benefit from economies of scale, doesn't spread risk. And with a niche market, the positive side is that products are not standardized. Therefore, you could sell some specific job production products. Yeah, you could sell them for a much higher price, much higher price than mass market. And competition might be, there might be less competition compared to mass market, and the needs of customers can be focused on and therefore targeted by firm in a niche market, and this will give them an advantage over larger firms who aim to meet the needs of the mass markets rather than the needs of specific customers. Okay, so yep, thank you for watching this tutorial.